home improvement show. Well, how important is it to fix foundation issues the right way the first time? Well, according to our next guest, it's super important because those quick fixes, well, they can add up to costly problems and headaches down the road. And here with us now is Baird Foundation Repair General Manager Jade Owens. All right, Jade, let's start with the basics. What are the risks for doing those quick fixes with foundations?
Yeah, so quick fix means temporary solution. So a lot of times if you go in thinking, oh, this might be the cheaper, faster option, it's likely not going to last you very long. So think maybe a year, a couple years, and then you'll be right back in the same situation that you were.
So just avoid that altogether, right? Yeah. Okay. So what does a permanent foundation repair solution look like?
Yeah, so there's a lot of options to how to fix your foundation. The good news is there are permanent options that can stabilize that foundation, and typically those are the steel options because those will actually go all the way to load-bearing strata, and that's where you'll actually get that permanent stabilization on your home. So instead of having to have those temporary fixes of maybe it lasts you a year or a couple years, it will actually last the lifetime of your home, which is really good.
So you want to do that versus something like a Band-Aid, right?
Right.
Okay. So I think some homeowners might be concerned about the upfront cost. How do you address that?
So foundation repair is an investment. It's something that, like I said, is if you're looking for that permanent fix, you got to invest in your home to allow that to happen. The good news is there are payment options and different financing options that can help alleviate that initial upfront cost. But also think about those temporary fixes that might seem cheaper. If you have to do those every couple years, it's going to add up over time. So we always recommend think about it as an investment and know that this is a one-time cost and one-time disruption to your home.
And so what should homeowners look for, in regards to foundation repair? Because we know if they have a new home, that could settle, right?
Yep.
Okay, but what are the true problem things?
Yeah, so if you start to see cracks, pay attention to what it's doing over time. Is it getting longer? Is it getting wider? Things like that. Also, doors that begin to stick, maybe they're a little hard to open and close. Same with windows. Those are usually the signs that there's something going on there.
Okay, and there's a special deal for folks watching right now, right?
Yes. So give us a call. You can schedule a free inspection. We can come out, take a look, see if those signs are actually a problem, and you'll get $250 off your project.
All right. Thank you, Jade. Okay, so if you are concerned about your home's foundation or want to avoid those costly mistakes, be sure to reach out to Baird Foundation Repair for an expert evaluation and permanent solution. They're going to give you $250 off your project if you mention SA Live when you book. Plus, you get a free inspection and estimate. Just call 210-534-4110, and for more information, just visit the website gobairdgo.com. Jade, thank you so much.
Thank you.